Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of That Green Thing. I wanted to show you my abominable perennial garden. You know, in years past when I had more time, I kept it weed free. I devoted a half hour every day after work to weeding during the season. Deadheading, weeding, edging, mulching, dividing, all of that stuff that goes into maintaining a perfect perennial garden. But you know, years pass by, hobbies change, priorities change. I don't have time or desire. I love perennials, but I don't have the time to keep it all perfect anymore. So I haven't deleted the garden. I mow around it. That's the extent of the edging I do. I just mow it around the edge. The perennials are there. It's become choked with weeds. Now, tall goldenrod, tall grasses, I'll give it a yank here and there at times if I see something objectionable, but I've let it go on back to nature. What blooms, blooms. Even if wildflowers see themselves in, I'm okay with that. So all I do is, like I said, pull the tallest weeds, and then this time of year, I'm going to weed whack it. I'm going to carefully weed whack it, not to disturb, tear up the root crowns, just down to the soil, and then I'll rake it clean. The snow can fall on it, and next spring, what comes up, what blooms, blooms. I'll be happy whatever it is. And a lot of these things, the garden phlox have flourished and spread, and wild asters, several kinds, continue to bloom. Siberian iris. There's some hardy geraniums. Quite a few things. Some sedums, some late flowering mums. Quite a few things. I still enjoy them. I can pick bouquets, but not much effort on my part. So here it is. I'm going to show you the garden now, and then I'm going to put on my galoshes and weed whack and rake it and show you the after. So here you go. Here's the before, and I'll come back and show you the after when I'm done. Thanks. All right. What a mess. Normally I wait till it's dry. It's been wet, but it's going to get more wet in the next couple of days, so I'm going to do it to it. I love this garden. I just don't have hours and hours to take care of it anymore. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, I've just done the initial weed whacking. It took a little longer, I think probably because it's wet. It's not crispy, but I think the wetness kept the dust down. It really throws up a cloud at times. So I've rough weed whacked it. Now I'm going to rake, haul that away, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I've raked out the leaves and grasses and debris quite a bit. It's nice mulch material. I don't think I'd mix it in a potting mix after it decomposes because of weed seeds, but look at that. Very little soil exposed. I'll clean up the odds and ends. The irises are hard to weed whack. Well, cleaned it up nicely. I uncovered a couple of ancient garden accents. Two smiling faces. I found one, and then the other one years later, the baby.